If you want to set a custom notification sound on the Samsung Galaxy A27 in order to use your own sound for notifications, what you need to do is you want to first go to the My Files app that we can find in the Samsung folder in the app drawer. Now, once we go over here, we want to simply go to the audio category, and you need to simply find the sound that you wish to set for notifications. So let's say I have this audio file over here, which I want to set for notifications. So I'm going to press and hold my finger in order to select the file. Once I have this file selected, I need to tap on Move at the bottom of the screen. Now over here, you want to tap on the internal storage button. And then from this list of different folders, you want to go to Notifications and then choose to move here. There we go. Now once you move this file, we're going to open the settings, go to Sounds and Vibration, and choose Notification Sound. Now go to the top of the list and you should be able to find the custom section with your file, audio file that you just moved to that notification folder. So you can select it from this list, and this is how we can set a custom notification sound. Leave a like and subscribe.